Hey guys, welcome back to Hendrickson Family Farm. Today we have to go load 3 loads of hay up on a 16-foot trailer.
Let's get some hay delivered.
First we gotta go pick up 2 loads is going to one guy, and then another 2 loads is going to my sister. Another load is going to my sister. She wants 4 bales today, and then 6 bales are going over to a guy we delivered some hay to the other day. Picked up the trailer. It's over at a friend of mine's. I'll let borrow the trailer the other day. What is Landon doing? Another thing you got to do before you leave is you always got to go around and kick the tires. Make sure you don't have make sure you don't have a flat tire. Hate to be going down the road, have a flat tire. Tires on the trailer, I just put them on about 3 months ago, but it's still always a good idea to go double check them. Well, at least my goats aren't the only ones that get their darn head stuck. I was leaving and I look over and this old goat right here has the head of shame. Hey, we'll check on those little babies. This is the same guy's house that we had to come and feed at the other night. That had those baby goats. Yeah, this is the same guy's house we had to come and feed at and check on these babies. So we'll check those little babies while we're here. Tell you what, we'll go in there. I gotta check this gate. We got 2 steers. He's got a couple steers in here. Don't want them to get out while I've got that goat's head out. Those are the 2 steers. There's 2 of them in there. And we were just right outside of there in a pen. Got one buried down here. Nope. That way. They're a little skittish. They don't see people very often. There's the other 2. We can go check on Ruby Sue too while we're here. That's just what he named this little that little pig. I thought it was pretty funny. There she is. Oh, she little turd. And then here's the old Hamp. Oh, he's got the old Burke and the old crossbred split up here. Huh? And then the old Burke's down there. Would spend more time here, but we got a lot of stuff we're trying to get done today, so. That's the high range. You got first range and second range, and reverse and park. You gotta make sure that's in neutral. And then your gear selector over here, you gotta make sure it's in neutral. And then you gotta press the clutch in. It'd be easier if I had something to hold that there. And these older tractors, older John Deere tractors, they like you to relieve the pressure on the hydraulic system, so you got to turn the steering wheel and it relieves the pressure on the system. Well, we got 4 of them on there. We're not going real far. We're just going back over to where we picked the trailer up with the first 4. I don't know if you guys can hear me real well. We're going back where we picked the trailer up with the first 4, and then we'll come get 2 more, and then that guy will be done. Well, that's 4 out of 10. Just got 6 more to go. So guys, what we're having to do now, on the way back on our last trip of hay, we heard this big loud pop, and then the brake light came on, And then I crawled around on all the brakes. And I found this rotor had exploded. So now we're waiting on my sister. She's gonna come and take me to town so I can get a new brake rotor. So it stops the truck. So there's a little hose clamp right there. It's a squeeze in the little trigger. You just lock it in there so you don't lose all your brake fluid. And then the rotor's in pretty good shape. I looked at it. The only big thing whenever you go to put that fitting back on there, there's a brass washer that goes on the back side. It's very important that you get that on there, otherwise you'll leak brake fluid. I gotta call my sister and see if she's on her way yet.